In this video, we are going to be looking at the assignment tool. So we're going to look at how to submit an assignment as well as viewing assignment feedback once your teacher has evaluated it. So the first thing that we're going to do is access the assignment page. So to do that, we're going to click on Assessment and Assignments. So I want you to notice a couple things here. First of all, you're going to have a list of all the assignments that are available for you to submit at the current time. Secondly, you're going to see that, for example, this assignment, it isn't open until June the 15th. So, pardon me, June the 13th, and it is due on June the 15th. So you'll see that this assignment's upcoming, but it's not available to me yet. You'll notice that I actually have submitted one assignment here, and that the teacher has evaluated it and provided feedback, and I just haven't read it yet. So we'll look at that in a minute. And then you'll also see these are all assignments now that I can submit, because if I click on Not Submitted, I'm going to be able to submit the assignment. So let's say we're going to submit this assignment here. So let's click on it, and this is what you're going to see. All right, you're going to see any information that you have regarding that assignment here. And there is a place to put comments here. So you can do that. So you can write a little note to your teacher with instructions on how to view your assignment properly or whatever, but you're not going to actually type your assignment there. Depending on what your teacher wants, you're going to either add a file, record audio, or record video. Usually it's going to be add a file. So if we click add a file, you're going to get this screen. You can either use OneDrive files, Google Drive files, or My Computer. These other two, not so much. So if you actually have linked your Office 365 account to Brightspace, you'll see all your OneDrive files here. But let's say we're just going to upload it from My Computer. So you can click Upload to select the file, or you can just drag and drop. So let's say I have a file here, this test submissions that I want to submit. I can just actually pull that up there, drag and drop, and there it is. We go Add, and you'll see it is there now. So let's click Submit. And now we've submitted that assignment. So file submission successful. It gives you actually an ID to say that it is successful. This is the actual ID of your submission. And it gives you a little bit more information. But notice this. It says confirmation email sent successfully. So what's going to happen is every time you submit something, look up here to your message alerts. You actually have a message alert, and it will say submission receipt just now. And if you click on it, it will give you the details of which assignment was submitted and that it was received successfully. So this is how you know for sure that your assignment has been submitted and that your teacher has received it. So if you don't get that, something might have happened and you might have to try to submit it again. So now notice that we've submitted one file here and one file here. Evaluation status, this one has feedback and this one doesn't yet. One thing to notice is that if you go to your course home and look down at your updates, notice that you have one assignment with unread feedback, right? Because we have that assignment. So you can click there to view that assignment feedback. So notice here, you'll see this is where our feedback's unread. So if we click on it, you're going to see the feedback that your teacher provided. Now this particular assignment had a rubric. So here's the learning goal with the success criteria, and they evaluated you on each of the success criteria and then gave you a level 1, which probably should be a level 4 because you did actually really well on that. But however, they gave you a level on that. And this is how you're going to see it. Any other typed feedback you'll see here. All right, so they probably just made a mistake there. They probably should have given you a level 4 instead of a level 1. But that's what your assignment feedback is going to look like. Again, the other place that you could see assignment feedback is if you go to the progress. Remember the class progress. Now if we go there and we scroll down to assignments, you'll see that we have one graded submission here and one awaiting a grade because we just submitted this one, they haven't graded it yet. If you click on details, you can see excellent work on this assignment, Jim. And if you click there, it'll take you right into the assignment feedback again, and you'll be able to see what you got. All right. So that is how you are going to be able to view your assignment feedback, as well as how you're going to be able to submit assignments in Brightspace.